Welcome back. So we have a very small amount of data in this Excel file. If I can scroll down, you can see I only have 201 rows of data. And a simple question that I'm asking you is that please tell me which three products have the highest retail price and which three products have the lowest retail price. Now definitely it will be very difficult to find it out by looking at it. We need to find a smarter way of working that. And what smarter way that can be? We can use filters, of course we can, but that won't be very smart. We can use sorting. Well, yes we can, but there can be even better option, and that even better option is called conditional formatting. So what we are going to do, let me show you. First of all, let's select the complete column. I will press Ctrl space bar, and now press the Alt key to get this panel here, and in this home panel you have the conditional formatting option. Let's click on that. Now you have multiple rules here. I will just focus on the second one for this moment, and you can see the second one is giving you multiple options, like you can select top 10 items or top 10% items or bottom 10% or bottom 10 or average, above average or below average. So you can apply any of these rules, and by the way, you are not restricted to choose 10. You can choose any number. So if I click on this top 10 items, you will see that Excel is asking me here to select how many values do I want. So I will say not top 10 please, rather I want top 3 only. And in this top 3 I will, now Excel is asking me that what kind of formatting is acceptable to me. So I would say that's fine, that I can live with this light red filled with dark red, that is fine. I will just press OK, and you can see what I can see nothing. So let me scroll down. So this cell has been highlighted, and highlighted as why? Because this is one of the top 3 items on my sheet. So if I scroll down, there should be 2 more, so there is another 3.87, and if I scroll down and keep scrolling, there is one more, and that is 3.94. so Excel has quickly highlighted the 3 highest value columns here. So in the similar way, I can go back and I can say, first of all, let me select the column, and I can go back here in conditional formatting, and I can say please select the bottom 10 items as well. And in fact not 10, I only want 3 items, and I want them to be filled with something else, maybe green fill with dark green text. That is fine for me, and I will click OK. And again I can see nothing till I scroll down. So I have the lowest one valued as highlighted as green, and highest ones are highlighted as red. So this way you can quickly make your values understandable by using the conditional formatting. Now let us continue this conditional formatting, and I will just move to the product cost for a moment. Let me select the complete column, and let me go back to this panel here and conditional formatting. So you can also highlight cell on the basis of different criteria. So for example, between 2 values, or greater than some value, or equal to some value. So I would say that I want to highlight, for the purpose of demonstration, I want to highlight the cells that are greater than, not this value, that are greater than, let us say, maybe I can say 1.5. that looks a reasonable value for this data, and I will press OK. And you can see that some of my cells have been highlighted here. They have the values of higher than 1.5. so you can clearly see that Excel has correctly highlighted the values which have higher value higher than 1.5. Okay, so let me go back and let me show you some other conditional formatting as well. So I will select the both of these columns again, and I will go back to conditional formatting. First of all, I would say clear the rules, and I will say clear the rule on selected cells or entire sheet. Well, I can go with either, but the first one will do my job for now, so I will say this one. Okay, so what else I can do with conditional formatting is that I can go back to the panel, and here I can apply data bars. So what data bars will do is that data bars will actually apply a bar along with the value, so that anyone who is looking at the data can clearly look at the values and can analyze that which ones are higher and which ones are lower. So that improves the visibility definitely. So that is one way you can use conditional formatting. So I will just change this conditional formatting for now. I will go back and I will say Other than data bars, you can apply color skills. That is very beautiful. So I should first remove this one, otherwise this is looking strange. So I will first remove clear rules, and now I will go back and I will apply the second one that I was drawing. So I will say apply color skills, maybe this one or this one or this one, whichever you like. There are so many options available, whichever is according to your color theme. So I think this one is nice for me. I will select this one. So you can actually give different colors to different values. So you can see that the higher values are colored red and the lower values are given some different color. I mean very light color of greenish kind of shade. So, and the smallest values I can see are colored as green. So that way you can give some understandable, or I can say visible conditional formatting to your Excel. And now one more thing that you can do is that in conditional formatting, that is, you can also, rather than color, give icons to your data. So let us say I want to give this icon here. So if I do that, excuse me, first of all let me delete the previous conditional formatting. I would say clear rules, and now go back in conditional formatting, and I would say apply the icons. So I will select these icons here. So you can see that Excel has applied the icons. The highest values are given the icon of green, the lower ones are given the value of red. So conditional formatting becomes even more interesting when you use it with filters. What do I mean? Let me show you. So let me go back and go to data and apply the filter here. So now when you will go to this filter, you can see that you now have an option of filter by color. And if I can just select the green ones, I can look at the values which are highlighted as green by conditional formatting. I mean to say, which are the higher values in the given text. So this conditional formatting combined with filters becomes even more interesting. So, and one more time I would like to repeat one point. If you use this conditional formatting and filters along with this pane here that you can see for the data, if I select few values here, you can see that we can see the sum of the values as well. So this whole thing becomes a very good for ad hoc analysis. So if you need to do small data analysis, you need to find out some values, you can quickly do that by using this conditional formatting as well. So let us go to conditional formatting one more time, and let us see if there's anything else as well that I need to show you. So I think that is it. So you can apply different kind of icons. That is just for the better look and feel, nothing else. So that is it, conditional formatting. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked that.